BluntCut MetalWorks, July 1st, 2022. This is M398 at 65.5 Rockwell, sharpened with an Edge Pro at 13 degrees precise. Thickness behind the edge it's less than 7,000 of an inch. So the edge, you can see the profile right there, and the edge have a little bits of paper on it, but overall it's pretty decent edge here. All right, let's start out. Just some zip tie and just quick paracord. And let it go through the motion here. 15 amp, 110 volt. Look like I tore the side. I didn't. Anyway, some beef rib bone. We see how this thing does. That's all. That's it. Lignum vitae, really hard wood here. Yeah. All right. Get a quick test. Yeah, hesitate. We'll take a close up of the edge. But anyway, I mean, it's still not tearing the phone book paper. Of course, if I do it that slow, but if you do it faster, then no problem. But if you do it slow, then of course it will hesitate. The main test I want to do is this very thick stainless steel tube. What am I going to do with it? Somebody tie a rope. Me. Tie a rope around it. And I just cut it off. Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Scratch up the thing a little bit. All right, so supposed to be very brittle steel, but we'll see my research. What can it do? Will it tear the phone book paper? I hesitate, but it continues. Hesitate, but it continues. I have to make sure I got perpendicular. Okay, there you go. One more time, and I will take a close-up picture, okay? And I will show the worst damage. The worst damage is this chip right here, probably from the bone, or maybe the wire, but not on the stainless steel tube, cut in the rope. This when the edge actually stuck and then pried on laterally, and so a chunk of it come off. The initial edge you have some paper on it, but you can ignore it. But overall, I mean, everything else is basically this are clear chips, and this is also there a little. This is the deformation, and then it got pushed over, it probably fall off, and near the white part here, these are the roll. And anyway, this is the wall section that near the heel, where the entry point of cutting. Thanks for watching.